Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to sign up and join Pocket Option Tournament. If you find this video helpful, please consider to like this video and subscribe to my channel. In saying that, let's just jump straight into the video. Okay, so first step is head on over to pocketoption.com in a web browser and then sign into your account. If you don't have an account, just go ahead and quickly create one. Now, once we've signed in and created an account, we need to go ahead and go back to the charts here and then go ahead and click into tournaments on the right hand side. Now we can see all the different tournaments on the right hand side. So we got an hour play and it's going to tell you a quick little summary about the tournament. So prize fund is $150, participation fee is $1.50, starts in a minute. So a lot of these will start in a minute, and then as you scroll down, these are going to start a few hours down the track, and you can see your prize fund and also your participation fee. So choose whichever tournament you want to go ahead and play. So say for this one, if I want to join this hour play, I want to go ahead and click on join, and then a little pop-up's going to appear that's going to say participation fee $1.50 for this one, starting balance, and also start when it's going to start, your prize fund, current participants, and rebuy fee. And then you also got rules of the tournament, so you go ahead and click on that and have a read of those rules inside that tournament. So you'll be debited that amount for participation in the tournament, current balance. So go ahead and click on deposit. Now you need to be on a real account for this as well. So on the far left, make sure we're in a real account, and then go ahead and deposit money if you don't have any money in your account. So I want to use Visa, MasterCard. I'm going to click onto that and then deposit the $1.50. Now, once you've joined, you'll receive a virtual tournament balance different from your real demo balance to compete with. Then from there, we can start trading in the tournament. So use your tournament balance to place trades. Your goal is to grow this balance as much as possible before the tournament ends. And also rankings update in real time, so you can check the leaderboard inside that tournament window. Then from there, you can collect your winnings if you do win. So if you finish in a prize winning spot, your winnings will be credited to your Pocket Option account balance. Real funds if it's a real tournament, or bonuses if specified. Now there are some tips here. So start with free tournaments to practice before risking money, and also watch the leaderboards to adjust your trading strategy. And join early to get more trading time. You don't want to join near the end of that tournament and give yourself like an hour and other people being there for like say 5 or 6 hours.